Nice and easy. I don't know this car.
You don't know the track.
Don't know the track. So the red light's way off in the back, way off at the back.
There is one out there, yeah.
I did see it out there, but yeah. But usually they have it a lot earlier.
No, that's if you crash out there.
Yeah. It's only for the final section.
Yeah. Because see where he's going across.
Here we go.
You do that, I'm watching this guy. I'm watching where we're going. So, okay. Yeah, no, I've got that now, I think.
When we get there.
So where I questioned about turning, turn there.
Yeah. Some big rocks there. What's that third gear? Comes around okay.
Yeah.
Well, that's surprising.
You don't need much tread because it's on powder anyway.
Yeah. I just want wider tyres.
That's what I said about the Mustang.
Alright,
Right, so
I'll slow
up
down.
here. So we go around this bit.
So we're going to go straight?
No, we're going up. Up there. Up,
Yeah,
up there.
this one. Oh, did we go the wrong way?
I don't know. Is that what we're doing backwards? And then we go across.
Cross? Ah,
That's where you were stopped to there. Alright, then we go round. It's back that way.
straight.
Yep, and then it hooks back around.
And now, straight on.
Yep, and then takes to the garage. That's where we fucked up.
There's this brake.
Yes. Oh.
Dude,
Stopping. We're not sliding, we're stopping.
I could push these brakes way harder.
There you go.
Yay!
Yay!